Waits in Selenium. The wait commands are essential when it comes to executing Selenium tests. They help to observe and troubleshoot issues that may occur due to variation in time lag. Without proper synchronization, tests may fail due to the element not being available or ready when we are trying to interact with it. Selenium waits are important in automating web applications to handle the timing issues and ensure that our testing scripts are interacting with the element accurately. Types of waits in Selenium. There are 3 types of wait in Selenium: implicit wait, explicit wait, and fluent wait. Implicit wait in Selenium is a setting that instructs the WebDriver to wait for a certain amount of time before throwing a no such element exception if the element being searched for is not immediately available. It is applied globally across the WebDriver instance and affects all findElement and findElements calls. Here's an example of using implicit wait. Explicit wait. Explicit wait in Selenium is a dynamic wait strategy that allows the WebDriver to wait for a certain condition to occur before proceeding with the execution of the test script. Explicit waits are typically used when testing scenarios that require waiting for elements to reach a certain state, such as visibility, clickability, or presence. They provide more control and flexibility compared to implicit waits. Here's an example of using explicit wait in Selenium with Java. Fluent wait. Fluent wait in Selenium is a dynamic wait strategy that offers more flexibility and customization compared to implicit and explicit waits. It allows you to define custom polling intervals and conditions for waiting until a certain condition is met before proceeding with the execution of the test script. Here's an example of using fluent wait in Selenium with Java.